My name is Angelica, and I am an early childhood science educator at Carnegie Science Center. Welcome to our Something to Watch series, where we offer fun and educational videos for kids, parents, and teachers. Like my colleagues, I am at home social distancing, and today we're going to be doing something fun. We're going to be celebrating Earth Day, and I'm going to show you an activity with leaves. Okay, so today our activity is going to be leaf rubbings. There are some materials that you're going to need. First being some paper. I'm just using white printer paper. The thinner your paper, the better you're going to be able to see the outline and design of your leaves. And I like to use a white paper so I can use as many different colors as I'd like. Which brings me to my next material that we'll need, which is crayons. Your crayons should be peeled so that you can use the long side of your crayon to do the rubbings. That helps get the most detail. And then last but not least, you're going to need leaves. Now I gathered my leaves from outside of my backyard. I suggest you get your grown-ups help to pick leaves. Make sure you're picking leaves that are safe for humans to touch, as well as if you're using leaves from indoor plants or any outdoor plants, make sure you get permission from the plant's owner to take those leaves off of it. The first thing that you're going to do is choose which leaf you would like to start with. And then also you're going to choose which color crayon you'd like to start with. So I think I'm going to begin with this small leaf from a rose bush. And I'm going to use a red crayon. So once you choose, you're going to take your leaf and you're going to place it underneath of your paper. Now, if your paper is thin enough, you may be able to see your leaf through the paper. And if not, you can feel it with your hand to know where you're going to color. Once you know where your leaf is underneath of your paper, you're going to take your crayon on its side and you're just going to rub over top of it. And after you do it a few times, you will start seeing the pattern of your leaf showing up. And then once you do one, you can either use the same leaf or get a different leaf, and you can do as many as you like on your paper using as many colors as you'd like. When you're looking at your paper, when you're all done with it, you can see a lot of different designs that came out from your leaves. You can see that there is usually a line that runs down the center of your leaf, and that is called the stem. And coming off of your stem, you're going to see all the little veins in your leaf. When a leaf is growing, it absorbs all of its nutrients through the main stem on the leaf, and then it travels throughout the leaf through the veins, kind of similarly to the human body. Well, I hope you enjoyed my activity today. If you'd like to see what else we have to offer, log on to our website at carnegiesciencecenter.org, where you will find something to watch, something to read, and something to do every day. Thanks for joining me. See you guys later.